So let's proceed to the next sequence. 3/4, 1, 5/4, 3/2, and 7/4. Hmm. Tingnan mo, parang complicated siyang sequence na. Hindi mo makita yung pattern. Pero yung trick dito is gawin mo pareho yung mga ang tawag doon yung denominator niya. So, hinala dito is ito isang arithmetic sequence. Baka. Tingnan natin. 3/4. Yung 1, pwedeng sulat ng 4/4. Tapos, ito yung 1, di ba? Tapos, 5/4. Tapos, yung 3/2. Yung 3/2. Multiply mo ng both ng 2/2. Kasi yung 2/2 is 1 lang naman. So, yung 6/4. Tapos, so yun, ito yung 3/2. Tapos, 7/4. So, yun. So, kung ganito, makikita mo na yung pattern. So, simple lang pala siya. Mukha lang siyang mahirap, pero simple lang. So, makikita mo na yung pattern. So, ito isang arithmetic sequence. Kasi, yung common difference is 1/4. Nag-add ka ng 1/4 each time para makuha mo yung next. Tawag doon? Next term. So, kung gamitan na ng formula siya. Parang yung formula, formality lang. So, common difference, a sub 2 minus a sub 1. A sub 2 is 1 minus 3/4. So, LCD is 4. Of course, yung 1, pwede mo sulat as 4/4. Tapos, minus 3. 4 minus 3, 1/4. So, yun. Common difference is 1/4. So, again, para makuha mo yung next, add mo ng 1/4. So, 7/4 plus 1/4. 8/4, which is or 2. Right? Lowest term. So, yun. Teka. Sulat muna natin ang type ng sequence 2. Masyadong excited. Arithmetic. Bakit arithmetic? Kasi meron siyang common difference na 1/4. Ibig sabihin, para makuha yung next term, mag-add ako ng 1/4. Magiging 8/4 or 2. So, 2. Tapos, follow ko lang yung intuition na. So, yun yung 6th term. So, 8/4. Tapos, 9/4, 10/4, 11/4, 12/4, 13/4, and so on. Okay, so ito yung 6th term, 8/4 or 2, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 12/4 or 3. So, yun dapat, expected na yung 10th term is 3. Pero, hindi ka confident sa intuition na yan. Sige, verify natin using the formula. Equals first term 3/4 plus, pinahanap, a sub 10. 3/4 plus 10, yung minus 1 times common difference is 1/4. 10 minus 1 is 9. 9/4 plus 3/4. Similar fraction kasi pareho ng denominator. Copy the denominator, add the numerators. 3 plus 9 is 12. 12 is divisible by 4. 12/4 is 3. Tama. Yun. 3. And that's how we solve for our arithmetic sequence.